Welcome to Property Focus. I'm Kate Miller. Making headlines this week, ANZ is named Australia's Lender of the Year, and auction activity picks up in Sydney. But first, to our lead story. The Western Australian property market has been earmarked for a strong recovery following a long period of lacklustre performance. Andrew Wilson, chief economist with Australian Property Monitors, told Property Focus that the state could expect decent growth in the year ahead.
Perth housing market is ripe for a revival. As with Brisbane, it's been down for 2 or 3 years. There was a lot of negative sentiment last year driven by the mining tax issue in Perth. There was a lot of concern at the impact of the mining tax on the local economy. I think now that with over $100 billion worth of research projects due to begin this year in Western Australia, already the highest earning in terms of wages, capital or state in Australia, that there'll be a lot of growth in incomes and that the Perth property market will revive reasonably strongly towards the end of this year. I'm not talking a boom, but we're certainly talking back to price growth of maybe up to about 5% for the whole year.
ANZ has been named the country's Lender of the Year at the inaugural Australian Lending Awards at the Western Hotel in Sydney last week. As well as receiving the top award for the evening, the bank also took out the award for the Best Investor Lender. Accepting the award, ANZ's General Manager of Mortgages, Glenn Haslam, said the bank was thrilled with the win, particularly in light of the strong competition currently playing out between Australia's lenders.
At the moment, there's no question that price is dominating the market, and it's more competitive than ever. So anyone who thinks competition isn't alive and well, it's sort of going back to 2004, 2005, where action is aplenty, if you like. So it's actually really tough out there at the moment.
Other winners on the night included Bank West, who was awarded Best First Home Buyer Lender, and Home Loans Limited, who won Non-Bank Lender of the Year. For full details on all winners of the awards, visit www.australianlendingawards.com.au. And sunny weather has helped to boost auction activity in Sydney, with the New South Wales capital shifting just over 62% of all properties listed for auction over the weekend of the 12th of March, according to Australian Property Monitors. The result was a welcome improvement on the week prior, where just 54.5% of properties listed for auction were sold. Meanwhile, Melbourne's clearance rate slipped to 60.4% from the 63.8% recorded the weekend prior, and Brisbane's auction market remained weak, with 25% of the 35 listed properties selling over the weekend. And that's what's making news this week. Thanks for joining us. I'm Kate Miller. See you soon.